and he was there when Melody died. However, this case is not nearly as straightforward as the state would lead you to believe. The state says frequently, they. But there was no plan, ladies and gentlemen. There was no agreement. They were not acting in concert. There was no the defendant and Van Patten. Because while he was there, he did not strangle her. While he was there, he did not cut her. While he was there, he did not beat her. While he was there, he did not kill her. You heard that there were a number of items that were found in his trunk, and you heard that there will be DNA evidence about these items. And while McKinley may have said that he handled those items at one time, he did not use those items to kill Melody Hoffman. And what you will hear about the DNA that was found on those items is that none of the DNA belonged to McKinley. Among those items, there was DNA that could be matched to individuals. There was DNA that could be matched to 3 individuals. Those 3 individuals were Melody Hoffman, Logan Kenton, and Dakota Van Patten. This case, ladies and gentlemen, is not nearly as straightforward as the state would lead you to believe. And over the course of the next few days, you will hear from witnesses, and they will talk about the evidence that was found in this case. After hearing all of that evidence, after considering all of that evidence, you will determine that the state has come up short. That the state has not proven beyond a reasonable doubt that our client, that McKinley Louisma, is guilty of the charges that the state has alleged in this case. Thank you.
Thank you, Ms. Eimermann. At this time, we will proceed with the presentation of evidence. Is the state prepared to offer its first witness?
Yes, Your Honor.
You may.
That I'm going to swear you in. You please raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes, I do.
Have a seat if you would. And if you would please start by stating and spelling your full name to the record.
Amy Lynn Robas, R-O-B as in boy, A, S like Sam, S like Sam, E.
Thank you. Go ahead, counsel.
Thank you. Good morning, Ms. Robas. Could you first tell us just a little bit of background about yourself? Where are you from?
I live in the Amana area.
How long have you lived there?
4 years.
What do you do for a living?
I'm sorry.
What do you do for a living?
I'm currently not working due to medical issues, but until the beginning of this year, I was the executive director of a small nonprofit for people with disabilities.
Were you living in the Amana area on or about February 17th and 18th of 2024?
Yes, I was.
Do you remember what you were doing the morning of February 18th, 2024?
Yes, I do.
What did you do that morning?
I went to Lily Lake or Lily Pond, depending on who you're talking to, and was sitting in the parking lot in my car listening to an audiobook, watching the geese and the ducks, thinking about what I wanted to do for the day and some things that were going on in my life at that time.
Is that something you do a lot?
Yes.
And had you been to Lily Pond out there quite a bit in the past?
Yes, I usually go there a couple times a week at least, depending on weather.
What kind of area is it that's out there?
Peaceful, sort of quiet. There's not much there except the lake, and there's a couple of picnic benches right along the shore by the parking lot, and a lot of people park there and walk the trail that goes around the lake. A few people will go and picnic there, but for the most part, people will park and do what I was doing and sort of sit and talk on the phone. I've seen a lot of residents sit and have lunch and just kind of appreciate the beauty of the spot while they're doing things that they need to do, sort of making their days a little bit better, I think, with that nice, pretty view.
Prior to today's date, did you see a picture of an aerial view of the Lily Pond area?
Yes, I did.
And if you saw that, would you be able to identify the area of Lily Pond and where it's located?
Yes, I would.
And was that a fair and accurate depiction of that area in your knowledge?
Yes, it was.
Your Honor, we move to the United States Exhibit number 2.
Any objection to Exhibit 2?
No, Your Honor.
Exhibit 2 is admitted.